Good evening. Sun's out today. Hooray. Two concepts. Triplets. Triplets are three little notes, in this case quavers, which fit into one crotchet beat. Second concept is 2-2 time, which means 2 minims per bar. Similar to 4-4, but here we have 2 minims. The strong beats are on the 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So I'll play the triplets. Probably hear me beating on the floor with my foot. And there's a little exercise at the top for the 2-2 time. Here we go. 1, 2. Okay. First exercise has triplets and minims and quavers and crotchets. Okay, it's in F major. Be careful of the B flat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can hear the triplets. Ta 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 ta. Okay. 3 scales: F major, an F major arpeggio, D minor arpeggio, B minor arpeggio. F major goes from low F to high F, back down to low F. Be careful of the B flat in the key signature. Every time you come to B, you play it flat. Here we go. And the arpeggio is again in 4, but we have quaver triplets. Okay. D minor is a relative minor of F major. Both keys have 1 flat, B flat. But D minor has a raised 7th, an accidental C sharp. Just be careful on the way up and down. It's a harmonic minor scale, which means that the 7th note is raised, ascending and descending. Okay, and the arpeggio. Again, quaver triplets. B minor is basically in crotchets. It has 2 sharps, F sharp and C sharp, and an A sharp accidental. Okay. pieces on page 53. To begin with, we have Aria by Handel. Be careful, it has quaver triplets. It's marked andante larghetto, which means at a slow walking pace. There's some nice dotted quaver, semi-quaver rhythms in there. In the second line. You can almost double dot the quavers and make the semi-quaver into a demi-semi-quaver, so it makes it really quite dramatic. There's also a duet by J.B. Loyer, the late Baroque French composer. It's a gavotte. The gavotte was a movement from the French dance suite, and the gavotte is characterized by starting on the third beat of the bar. Excuse me just for a minute, I'm just going to open this curtain because while we've been doing this, the light has gone down. Sorry about this. Okay, it might help if we can see actually what we're doing. Here we go. I'm not going to repeat this. It's two halves again. They're 3 two-line systems, but both halves are repeated. But I'm not going to repeat them. I'm just going to go straight through. So no repeats. I'll play the top part first. It's in 2/2 time. Just be careful. So 1, 2, 1. I'll play the second part now, so you may like to play along with playing the first part, for example, or play the second part with me. Here we go. You'll notice the minim count: 1, 2, 1. Okay, that's the unit finished. I hope that's been of use to you. There's quite a lot to look at with the quaver triplets and the 2/2 time. Remember to keep fingers close to keys, head up when you play, blowing down into the flute, and relax when you play. Start trying to sort of feel the music. So it's a case not just of playing the notes correctly. It's a case of putting the notes together into complete phrases and then sentences which make musical sense. Okay.